Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can import whiteboard presentations in your presentations on Lucidchart in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, navigate to your diagram or presentation, and you can do this by clicking into these three lines here in the top left and simply select import documents here, not insert, no new, unless of course you want to create a completely new whiteboard presentation. And after that, you will be redirected to this menu here, guys. Now, remember that you can import whiteboard presentations or documents from the following sources and in the following formats. Like, for example, supported formats are Microsoft Visio formats like these, Miro, but there are also others like these. Just remember, guys, that the given or make sure that the given file or whiteboard presentation features one of these document file formats like PDF, for instance, but also others. And that's it. You may click into this button, locate the file on your device, or drag it here into that field from your computer, for example, click into done. And after that, the given presentation will be imported into your document. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.